Today, we'll be learning how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimal numbers. To add and subtract decimal numbers, line up the decimal points and add or subtract like any other number. For example, 0.43 plus 0.2. You line up the ones place, decimal point, and tenths place and add like any other number. The answer is 0.63. 0.85 minus 0.5 works in a similar way. You line up the decimal points, the ones place, and the tenths place, and then subtract to get 0.35. To multiply decimal numbers, you multiply them like any other number while ignoring the decimal points, and once you get the answer, you move the decimal point to the left once for each decimal place in each factor. For example, 5.6 times 3.9. Multiplying while disregarding the decimal points, you get 2,184. Inserting two decimal places, one for the one decimal place in 5.6 and one for the one decimal place in 3.9, you get 21.84. To divide decimal numbers, multiply both numbers by a power of 10 that will cause the divisor, the number you're dividing by, to become a whole number, and then divide like any other number. For example, when you have 5.6 divided by 4.2, you can multiply both numbers by 10, which will give you 56 divided by 42, which will result in 1 1/3, also written as 1.33 repeating.